Happy Saturday, everybody. This is Joseph with Hattie Dodge Ram's Commercial and Fleet Truck Department. Today I wanted to go over a really special truck. This is a 2024 Ram 3500 Crew Cab 4x4 diesel dually with a 9-foot welding body. This is perfect for all of my pipeliners, welders, structural steel fabricators, as it is set up and ready to go. Go into the box here. This is a 9-foot long welding body. Storage underneath your welding table there, and on your welding table portion of this bed you do get the groove where you can put your pipe in there so you can weld it. And right here you get your bottle storage, so you can put your shielding gas or your oxygen acetylene bottles here, and you do get the hose wraps right here. You can wrap up all of your hoses. Coming into the cab, this is a lot nicer than your standard work truck. Power locks, windows and mirrors, cloth seats, 8.4-inch display. Does come with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, along with XM radio. You get your air conditioning, diesel exhaust brake, trailer brake controller, Bluetooth and cruise control. If you guys have any questions about this truck, please feel free to reach out to me.